There are three wires in a submersible pump starter. In these three wires, there is a red, a yellow and a blue wire. In the red wire, there is a main winding and a running winding. In the yellow wire, there is a starting winding and blue wire is common. If you want to start the submersible pump, what you have to do, we have to connect the capacitor of the submersible pump here. There are two wires of the capacitor. You have to connect one wire with the running wire. Here it is connected with the running wire. We will connect the other wire of the capacitor with the starting winding. Now we have to start the submersible pump. To start it, we will give phase supply to the running wire. And what we will do on the common wire, we will provide neutral supply here. Submersible pump will start. It will be like this, right? If you have the same thing here, this is a submersible pump, its capacitor is here. I have connected the capacitor to the running and starting, and the phase supply has to be connected to the running always, and to this common we will supply neutral supply. Our submersible pump will start here. Now below this you will see that two capacitors are there. If you want to connect two capacitors, then what you will do, to your two capacitors power supply should go through the phase supply. So you will see one thing, that our capacitor here, like the phase supply, this phase supply is brought here and input is given to this capacitor. And to give input power to this capacitor, the push button is used here. Why is this push button used? I have already explained the reason behind it. We will give power to the push button, and by taking its output, we will give it to our capacitor, which means that this capacitor has also got phase and this also got phase supply. With the yellow wire of our submersible pump, that is the starting wire, we will connect the output of both together, and by taking its output, we will connect it to the starting of our submersible pump. So what will happen now? If you do not press this push button, then what will happen? Our submersible pump will run only through this capacitor after the phase supply and neutral supply starts, right? If you want to start it here, then what will you do? If you press the start push button, this capacitor will get power, and this power supply will also go from here, and its power is also coming from here. This means that the power that is going through the starting wire of the wire is going through both the capacitors. This means that we will give more power at the time of starting, and after that we will release this push button. As soon as we release it, the power supply will get cut. After being cut, the power supply will only go through the running capacitor. Is it clear? A lot of students have joined on Instagram and on YouTube. Many people may not know that I have two books that I have written. One book is Electrician's A to Z wiring book. Many students know about this book. Apart from this, I have another book that was published 5 to 6 days ago, Zero to Hero House Wiring Book. If you want to have knowledge related to house wiring, then you can buy this book. The explanation of the submersible pump that I am giving you now is the content of this book only. This is our house wiring book. The content of this book is written here. There are 112 topics in this book. There are 182 pages in this and in English. There are many topics in this book that are very important for you, like how to do wiring of ceiling fan, how to wire a multi-speed air cooler, how to wire a float switch, how to wire a tube light, exhaust, how to wire a motion sensor, how to connect MCB, how to select MCB for your house, how to select the wiring rating, how to select MCB for your 3-phase induction motor. There are many topics in this book. If you want to buy this book, whether you want to buy the house wiring book or the A to Z electrician's wiring book, I will give you the link of both the books. You can directly buy from there. You will get PDF of this book in just 100 rupees, and if you want to buy a PDF of A to Z wiring book, then you will get this in just 98 rupees. You can directly buy PDF of this book to learn more about wiring. Thank you for watching this video.